Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
which of the following is used to test the efficacy of sterilization in an autoclave? In an autoclave, to test the efficacy of sterilization, we use Bacillus thuringiensis, Bacillus thermophilus. Bacillus thermophilus is used for testing the efficacy of sterilization in a autoclave. In an autoclave, we use Bacillus thermophilus, whereas in this Clostridium tetani is used in a hot air oven, whereas Clostridium tetani is used in hot air oven. Where is Bacillus pumilus used? Bacillus pumilus is used in ionizing radiations for testing the efficacy of sterilization. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.